Many people claim to believe in God, but only few obey God. Which one are you? The cure to a lonely heart is to be alone with Jesus. Jesus is knocking. Will you answer with open heart? Remember, perfect people don't go to heaven. Only the forgiven people does. God has never stopped being good. We've just stopped being grateful. God's mercy is bigger than any mistake you have made. So introspect and repent, my friend. Talk to God. He's listening with open heart. Because of your faith, it will happen, since you are the chosen one. Sometimes a no from God is not just a simple not yet, so keep trusting. Sometimes God let you hit rock bottom, so you discover that He's the rock at the bottom. Just because you don't see anything happening doesn't mean God's not working. Thank you.